Soviet cameramen made use of these shots in order to show the historical background. New African nation, the Republic of Somalia, declared its independence. The struggle for freedom, which had continued another 40 years, finally ended in victory. At a festive ceremony, the country's assembly ratified the democratic basis of the country and elected Aden Abdullah Osman as president. This was the beginning of the country's new history. In taking up responsibility for their fate, the Somalis went to work. There was a great deal to be done. From the foreign rulers, the Republic inherited a vast territory, untouched by modern progress, without roads, waterways, and industry. In fact, an almost primitive land.